Guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Duvolle straightener. Super pretty hot pink straightener here. I also have a whole chit chat get ready with me using it as a demo, but I will insert some clips in this video so you guys can see. It is a 90-degree day. It is super hot and humid, and it's still hot in my room because I don't have the air conditioners out yet, so bear with me. Yes, absolutely love this. Absolutely love this hair straightener. It's so pretty. And this is just a random side fact. One of the favorite things I like about it is that it's pink, so when my red hair dye comes off, you can't tell. So I love that. The buttons are on the inside, and can we please do this with all appliances? I think everybody, okay? Literally everybody can agree that use a hair tool. Can we all do that where we put the buttons on the inside? The on and off switch and the temperature control setting are on the inside. Thank you for doing this, like literally, thank you for doing this, because I'm one of those people who was constantly hitting it on and off or adjusting the temperature when I didn't need to, and I love that this is on the inside so I don't mess up with that. And for those of you who ask, the plates lay completely flat. I know we all look for that in a good hair straightener, and this one does that. So awesome. I know you guys will ask, but it comes in this really pretty box here. It's the Desire series styling iron. I'm keeping the box because then I can keep it nice in my my drawer over there, and then it will stay nice. And also it's really pretty. It's hot pink and black. Such an aesthetic. But I absolutely love it. It has a good weight to it. It's not too light, not too heavy. It's got a really long cord, one of the longer straightener cords I've ever had, and it does have the swivel. I know these are all questions people like to ask. It also has the hook as well. So for all those questions, yes, they lay flat, swivel cord, decently long, and you have full control on the temperatures from 140 degrees up to 450, and it's up to you on how much you want it. When I did mine, I didn't even have it at 300, so that's really good. I have naturally dry, coarse hair, and it is wavy. And I just brushed it out after being curly, and I did this, so it came out good. All in all, I highly recommend this. I think a lot of you guys will love it. They also have curling wands and curling irons as well. Honestly, now that I tried this, I really liked it. I'm thinking about picking up the curling wand because I don't have a curling wand. And I would really like one. My old one that I did have broke, so I'm actually thinking about buying that because I would like that just to have as an option. So if I had somewhere nice to go, I could curl my hair. I feel like you could also do it with this too because of the way it's like shaped. But I'm one of those people who cannot figure out how to curl my hair with a straightener. I know you totally could because it's curved, but that's just me because I'm silly. But if you guys are interested, I do have a code. It's down below. Check it out. I don't get anything for it. Just saves you guys money. So if you guys do like it, I highly recommend it. Honestly, it's great. I think it's worth the money, and I'll keep you guys updated. But I love it. Beautiful. Highly recommend. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, and if you're more interested, you can watch my little chit chat video with me demoing and using it. You can see how big and messy and how humid it was, and to what my hair looks like now. And now this is going on an hour later, so so far it's still looking great, and it's like 90 something degrees in my room plus these lights, so I think it's looking good. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks guys, and don't forget, check out the code. Save yourself some money when you do go to purchase.